What's going on, everyone? Today's March 3rd, 2023. Price target was hit in Disney. You guys can see we did a price prediction in the market in Disney on February the 10th. Here it is. You guys can tell that price was hit into the market on the 23rd of February, 9.35% right there. Let's go ahead and cut this out the way. And one of the craziest things, if you guys were to look at price charts overall, you guys can see how a lot of stocks saw a pretty good run to start the year off. But look at how fast price is coming right back down. Isn't that crazy? It lets us know that the market is not bullish, that we're not in a new quote bull market. Okay, this was just a simply run up in the market in Disney and a lot of stocks, and now price is coming back down. So if anyone's still massively bullish, if they're trying to drum up this bull market talk, they really need to pay attention to what the price action is showing in the market. It's not a coincidence that on the earnings right here on February the 9th with this high volume, that was the high as well. It's not a surprise. This is where the market, the insiders, those who knew that this was the top, came in and sold their particular stock, their positions. Because look at where price is now. That was when the market in Disney was around $116, $118. Here it is around $98 today. So yeah, someone knew that that was the top. And so many of us on the outside, retailers, just don't understand that we need to pay attention to the markets. Nothing more and nothing less. Look at this on the 2-day chart. So how am I feeling overall in the environment in Disney? It's not bullish nor bearish. You guys can even tell generally this market has just been trading pretty much within these two lines here. So don't expect a lot to occur into the market in Disney. The price action actually is telling us the same type of thing, that we may get a couple of dollar moves here and there, but don't look for a new trend to be established with a bull market or even a bear market just yet. Let's look at this on the weekly chart. So you guys can see here on the weekly chart as well that we're not getting pretty big of a price bar spread. A lot of these price bars, these 3 weekly price bars here that the arrow's pointing down to, is not extremely wide. So that tells me that the market is not amped. They're not eager to push price up, to push price down. It's just a stable market right now. Okay. Here it is on the 2 weeks. So this prior 2 weekly price bar definitely lets us know that this is why prices continue to show weakness. 3 weeks. We got 9 hours and 14 minutes left. Now, from a longer term perspective, we have to give the game to the sellers right now, because this current 3 weekly price bar definitely signifies that there's some weakness here into the market in Disney. Now, like I said, am I looking for price to completely run down to $50? No, but we have to be prepared to see how weak the market is. And I'm seeing one right there around $95 as support. That would be like my first target into the market in Disney there. Look at this on the 5 weekly chart now. In the next 7 days, which is the next trading week coming up, if we look the same way we look right now in Disney, then that definitely tells me that we're going to come back down to 90, or the probability is definitely increasing that we can see price run down to 90. So we got to give the market 7 more days and 10 hours left, but generally that is weakness. Might want to get prepared to see price in Disney run down to around 90. So looking at this, I don't see any emphasis of bullishness right now on the chart. You guys can tell here over the last couple of months, price in Disney got rejected around 118, 119, just like it did in September 2022. It got rejected again in February. It's not a coincidence. So right now, from a longer term perspective, I'm looking for price in Disney to continue to trend down. Okay, just trend down. Not saying a crash, not saying a plummet. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. Now the first target I said was around 95. Okay, so that's around 3.91%, $95, give or take, in around that area. My second target is going to be around 92.50. That is 6.6%, 92.40, 92.41. Third is 90. Now I'm putting a third target on there just for the longer term, 8.93% there, $90, right? So that is it. As long as price in Disney trades below 110, we're going to play some weakness to the downside. Okay, that is it. Everyone, give me your thoughts, give me your price targets as to how you think the market in Disney is going to trade. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.